Hey, sorry about the wind noise out here, but this is our 2017 Nissan Titan. And as you can see, it's an SL trim level with right over 100,000 miles on it. All right, let's go ahead and do a cold start on it. It's about 40 degrees out here, so definitely cold. Remote start here. All right, coming down the front of the vehicle, everything looks pretty good. Of course, it is a 2017 with 100,000 miles on it, so it does have a few little rock chips on the hood right there. And then down here, you see a little, I guess you can call it bug splatter right across there. Some of it's a little dust from sitting out on the lot. Now, looking down the driver's side of the truck, I don't notice any kind of big dents or anything like that. Of course, it is a black truck, so it does tend to show scratches very easily. Once you get up close to it, you see it does have little minor things like scratches and scuffs, but definitely no big dents or anything like that. Around the back of the truck, everything looks good. Don't notice any kind of dents on the bumper. It does have parking sensors down there too. I see a little scuff right here on the tailgate, but nothing else really. And just peering over into the bed of the truck, you see it does have the spray-in bed liner back there. It looks like it's from the factory. And looking down the passenger side of the truck, once again, no kind of big dents. You do see very light scratches, if that even shows up on the video here, but kind of like brush scratches right back here. But once again, a very well taken care of truck. It does have the factory black Nissan wheels on it, and the tread depth on the tires is really good. All four of the tires look pretty much like that. And we'll get up close to this front driver's side wheel and tire as well. You can kind of see that good tread depth there. Of course, the rotors are a little corroded because it hasn't been driven in about a week or so. It does have running boards on there. And taking a look inside, everything looks really, really nice in here. It does have light colored leather interior. No rips, tears, or stains or anything like that in here. I don't see anything broken. It looks like they have all weather mats down here to protect that carpet. Just looking at the door, it does have nice two-tone leather in there. Also, rear AC vents and power outlets in the back. Now taking a look at these front seats, this is the driver's seat, the one you see the most wear on, but not anything crazy, you know, typical wear and tear for a 6-7-year-old truck. And those are WeatherTech mats, as you can see there. No kind of wear on the center console there, and same thing over there on the passenger side. Everything looks really, really good inside this truck. And we'll go ahead and fully start the vehicle. We'll get right up here so you can see the dashboard. It is letting me know that it's 36 degrees outside. No kind of lights on the dash or anything like that. And let's see if I can hit this to show me the exact miles on the vehicle. Oh, it's right up top. 102,845. And then we'll come over here. Let's throw it in reverse. That's our backup camera right there. And it does have the dual zone climate control. It's got heated seats right down here as well. Radio is Rockford Fosgate. Sounds pretty good. And just a quick look under the hood. Everything looks good. Everything sounds good under here. Whoop. Looks like the struts on the hood aren't fully supporting it. But just wanted to give you a quick look under here so you can hear everything. And a closer look at that front. All right, if you have any additional questions about the Nissan Titan, feel free to give us a call. We can get everything started all over the phone. Thank you for choosing Gulf Auto Direct.